Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1153 in a row. Today is April 1st, 2022. Bitcoin current price $46,344, up about 1% today. I would say overall market sentiment is bullish, like people are positive right now. So that's what you like to see. We're just dollar cost averaging for this experiment, but things are looking good. Hopefully that's not a trap. Up 4.73% the past week, up 4.8% the past month, still down 21% on the year, but you can see a lot of sideways action here and even some higher highs. It's pretty easy to spot. So hopefully things turn around and we can head towards all-time highs for these crypto markets. Let's take a look at the news here, see if there's anything worthy today. The 19 millionth Bitcoin has been mined. That's actually kind of a big deal. Crazy how far we've come. Remember, there's only 21 million Bitcoin, and the halvings make it more difficult to mine every few years. Bitcoin mining revenues climb back up to 1.21 billion in March. Bitcoin fights for support. SEC rejects spot Bitcoin ETF application from ARK21 shares. Again, I don't like any of this ETF spot crap. Like, just buy real Bitcoin. I've been saying that since the beginning. With empty Bitcoin mempools, it's time to consolidate your UTXOs. I'm not sure who they think the audience is here on Cash App, but I would guess that 90% of people reading that sentence have no clue what it means. It doesn't even look like English. So again, my suggestion would be to cater the news to make it more simple for the type of audience that they have. But Bitcoin owned 0.09465418, definitely getting closer and closer to that 0.1 goal. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's gonna show us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added $1 more of Bitcoin to the balance. We can now check our Bitcoin owned 0.09467515. And let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,377 divided by 1,153 days equals a 3.79x on our investment, doing very well, killing it with the dollar cost average strategy. What this means, every dollar that I put into this experiment, I now have $3.79. And just for fun, we'll go ahead and do the gain on that. $4,377 minus 1,153 days equals a $3,224 gain. So looking forward to continue on with this experiment. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies looking very strong in my opinion, even if we do see downside short term. I think the demand and the utility is there. Real quick, checking in on the Genesis Syncronauts NFT. Remember, this is a project that is building DeFi and NFT products in the crypto space. Currently, they are building a decentralized marketplace. They have Twitter Spaces every Monday where you can tune in and learn more. And those have been going very well. Talking to lots of artists lately. OpenSea, one of the biggest marketplaces that we're looking at here, has actually been shutting a lot of people down, whether you're in a certain country, a certain demographic. They can just close your account and there's not really anything you can do about it. So it's super unfortunate to hear those stories. Luckily, they're building a decentralized marketplace where there's no one authority in charge. They can't just point to someone and say, hey, turn that thing off. It would be contracts published to the Ethereum blockchain that basically anyone can show an interface from those contracts and execute trades and do what you need to do. And that's what we need in the crypto space, more decentralized products. We know that centralization is a problem, and that's what the Syncronauts are fighting. So floor price 0.737, looking strong. There's only a handful of these for sale. What is this, like 12 for sale or something like that? There was a dope one that came up this morning. I was moving my ETH to try and buy it, but I was about 10 minutes too late. Someone else got it for 0.7 ETH. Unfortunate. I really like this artwork. That jacket is dope. It's got the little clock there, the Time Lords. But yeah, good news. Several trades above 0.7 here, so looking strong. Some people still paper handing to the offers, but you know, lots of trades here above 0.7, so slowly working our way up there. Definitely a slept on project, even as far as the art goes, the utility, like us. I don't know how people are sleeping on it so hard. Lots of people focused on the PFP project still. To be honest, I'm kind of trying to scale out of those, move into stuff like this, move into like crypto bond NFTs, even sync token, super slept on. I don't know. The storm is brewing. But that's all we have for today. Hope you guys found this interesting or helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.